Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read Gmail messages from Python code. Connect to Gmail and read any Gmail folders from your account from Python. The results will be displayed on the standard output. You just have to change your username and password, and that's about it. Prerequisites are listed here. Enable IMAP, forwarding and pop IMAP section, select enable IMAP, set up an app password after you have two-step verification enabled. Under your Google account security tab you can find the two-step verification. After enabling it, you can go to the app password and generate one. Then you have to copy paste your app password here, and you can run the source code. So from my side, that's about it. I will include download link from my GitHub repository. You can download it, enjoy it, and have a nice day, guys. Bye bye, see you in my next video. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because I'm going to come up with pretty cool content in the upcoming days. Okay, enjoy your weekend. Bye.